Guys, has this ever happened to you? You know the grammar, you know the words, but when it is time to speak, blank. Today I'm going to talk about something that nobody talks about openly. Stay with me till the end because this one is very personal. Hello everyone, welcome back to day 3 of my No Hindi challenge on Learning with Anjali. Today I want to talk about something that almost every English learner struggles with. Do you know what the biggest enemy of English learners is? It's not grammar, it's not vocabulary, it's not pronunciation. It is shyness. Yes, shyness and hesitation. Today I want to share something very personal. Even though I know grammar rules, even though I know vocabulary, even though I study every day, I still feel I still feel shy when I speak English. I can understand English easily, but when it comes to speaking, I feel nervous. Sometimes my mind goes blank, sometimes my heart starts beating fast. Sometimes I think, what if I make mistake? What if people judge me? What if I forget words? And slowly I stop speaking. Maybe you feel the same. And let me tell you something, you are not alone. I have been there, and honestly, I am still there sometimes. Let me explain why this shyness happens. When we were children, nobody judged us. We made mistakes and we laughed. We forget words and we tried again. But slowly, as we grew up, people start judging. Teachers corrected us in front of everyone. Friends laughed at our accent. Family said, English में क्या बोल रहा है? ज़्यादा English झाड़ने लग गया है. And slowly we stopped trying. We built a wall around ourselves. A wall made of fear. A wall made of लोग क्या सोचेंगे. But let me ask you something. When a baby learns to walk, does it stop trying after falling? No, it they falls, they gets up, they tries again. That is exactly what we need to do with English. Fall, get up, try again. I have noticed there are three types of shy English learners. Type 1, the silent one. They know everything. But they never speak. In meetings, in class, in groups, they stay quiet, thinking someone else will answer. And type 2, the translator. They think in Hindi first and then translate to English, then speak. By that time, the moment is gone. And last, type 3, the starter and stopper. They they start speaking. They start speaking confidently, but the moment they make one mistake, they stop completely. Sorry, my English is not good. And they give up. I have been all three types, and honestly, sometimes I'm still type 2 and type 3. But then I learned knowing which type you are is the first step to changing it. And now I want to share something very personal with you, something I have never talked about openly before. When I started this channel, people laughed at me, not strangers, people I knew, people close to me, some relatives. They used to watch my videos, not to learn, not to support, but to laugh, to find mistakes, to make fun. Do you know how that feels? When when someone you know watches you fail and smiles. I wanted to quit. Many times I wanted to quit. I thought maybe they are right, maybe I'm not good enough, maybe I should just stop. But then one day I realized something. Actually, Actually, I was waiting to be perfect, waiting to be fluent, waiting for the right time. But let me tell you, the right time never comes. Perfect never comes. You just have to start. Imperfect, nervous, unsure. And that is exactly what I did. I started this channel not because I was perfect, but because I wanted to grow. Every video I make, I learned something new. Every day I speak, I get a little more confident. And that is the beauty of it. You don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great. So, what is the solution? One thing very simple, that is already in your hand, your smartphone. Yes, your phone can become your English teacher. Turn on your front camera and speak for just 1 minute. That's it. Speak about yourself, speak about anything. Tell the camera what you did today. For example, I woke up at 6 o'clock today and I cooked breakfast for my family. I spent time with my child and now I'm practicing my English. Don't try to be perfect, just speak. Speak anything. And now comes the most important rule, save the video. Even if you make mistakes, save it. Even if you get stuck, save it. Even if you feel embarrassed, save it. Don't delete it. Create a special folder. Create a special folder. Keep all your videos there. Because one day you will watch them again. Watch your smile, watch your expression, listen to your voice, and slowly your fear will disappear. Apart from recording yourself, do 5 things, a very small things you can do daily. Number 1, morning affirmation. Every morning, look into the mirror and say, I'm learning English, I'm improving every day, I'm not afraid of mistakes. Number 2, speak to your family in English. Even if they laugh, keep going. Number 3, comment in English on YouTube, Instagram. Write your comments in English. Small practice, big results. Number 4, think out loud. When you are cooking, cleaning, walking, doing anything, talk to yourself in English. I am chopping onions, my eyes are burning, I am watching video right now. Like this. Number 5, celebrate small wins. Spoke one sentence today, celebrate. Understood a full English video, celebrate. Small wins build big confidence. If you are someone whose family doubts you, whose friends laugh at you, whose relatives don't support you, let me tell you, their doubt is not your limit. Your consistency is your answer, right? Don't argue with them. Don't explain yourself. Don't try to prove anything. Just keep going. Let your progress speak. Because one day you will look back just like I did and you will smile. Not because they stopped laughing, but because you never stopped trying. Remember, knowing rules is not enough, reading is not enough, watching videos is not enough. To remove hesitation, you need to face fear, you need to face the camera, you need to face people. Stop being shy. Open your camera, record your first 1 minute, only 1 minute English video right now, and tell me in the comments, did you record your video today? Just type yes if you did. I'm waiting for your replies. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.